Hello! Today we are going to see how to fix your video. If it's not very smooth, there is some camera shakiness. VideoPad does it really easy. So let us open some video, add files, find the video in our computer. I choose this one. Open. Okay, so it's a nice video, but let's drop it here on our sequence and see. You see, shakiness is pretty big here and just using our. We are going to use stabilizing process, but it's a little bit like slowly, takes a lot of time, so it's better to make our clip a little bit like shorter. So let's click on it and choose new starting time. Just move your cursor to the new start time. Let it be like, I don't know, like here. Okay. Click on a red pattern. This is the new start time, and continue moving cursor. Next up here, click on a blue pattern. This is our new end time. So this is our new shorter clip. Now you have to click the right click of your mouse on it and choose stabilize video. It asks us the shaker options. Yes, of course. Okay. And now you have to wait. It will take some time, but you have no choice. So let's wait. Okay, and after some time we have after file stabilized. Let us see it. Click on it and start. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. I believe it's much better. So thank you for your time and hope to see you soon. Bye.